Thank you sa naka-VJ dyan. Thank you. Sis Kayla, shout out. Thank you, sis, for coming. Si Miss B in Jamaica. Also here, Miss Jamaica. Miss B. It's very hot. On Thursday, on Wednesday, 51 degrees. Very hot. It's okay in the morning and the night. It's little better. But now, it's 10 a.m. Very hot. Starting 9 o'clock up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's very hot outside. Thank you, Sis Kayla, sa patamsak. Sa pagbisita. Thank you so much. Miss B, thank you. Sir Gypsy, thank you. Sa mga naka-BJ dyan. Miss B, +1 banana hair. I watch the video and then I connect my another channel. What is this? This is how we do Carico. Rice with beans. So yummy. Then connected here, Miss B. Teresita. Thank you, Miss B. +1 banana hair. Then connected to you, Teresita. My another account. Kailabo, Sis Kailabo, I'm here in your channel. I replay I watch again your short video here. Created from Just Kayla. To be window, to be wall. Shout out sa 3 million naka-BG. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.